Okay, welcome back to our 5 day challenge. We are on day 4, and today we're going to talk about your perfect customer and how to create content that converts authentically without sales, but just how do you do that? I mean, that's like exactly what you want to know, right? So now look, if you missed day 1, day 2, day 3, then go back and just watch them so that you know exactly what we're talking about, right? You're going to know how to make 100% commission, how to automate your business, how to find your perfect customers. Yay. So that's what we've gone through today. We're going to talk about what do you say to them, because it's all about connection. Connection is currency. We buy from people we like, trust, and get to know. We feel good. We know that they're not just trying to sell us, right? So first, let's continue to explore who our perfect customers are. What's the pain? What are the challenges they're dealing with? Maybe she's a single mom raising kids on her own, struggling financially. Maybe that's you. Or maybe you're talking to someone who just lost their job and they were living paycheck to paycheck, so now they're in trouble. Maybe that's you. Maybe you're connecting with a person who really wants to retire early and can't. And that is frustrating. So the question is, who exactly do you want to help? And can you speak honestly and just vulnerably? So, you know what people are going through and you authentically touch them and you have a solution to change their lives. So the question is, what do you want in your life? You frustrated, maybe overwhelmed, overworked, really want more time to do what you want, to have more memories with your kids or your family or friends, or just something you get to do your passion. You wanted to start your own business, but you don't have a system. Maybe you don't have the knowledge or the money to invest hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars, because 95% of all businesses fail. That's scary. So the idea of investing $900 to get a proven blueprint that has thousands of positive testimonials, a website that does the work for you, no need to be a techie, no need to bother your friends or family. You get day by day training. You learn how to make 10,000 in 30 days. You have a community that celebrates you. That sounds dreamy, right? Because that's exactly what people want. And remember, lesson 1, we talked about you wanting to be in business that is trending. Forbes said the highest paid business in the world right here, right now, is exactly what we're talking about: digital marketing. It's a $1.2 billion a day industry. Now, this is not a get quick rich kind of scheme, but you do help people create a legacy, and you do learn exactly how to make money while you sleep. That's a given. That's what you do. You learn exactly how to do this, how to tell a story, that, well, it really helps someone realize there's hope. You're a hope dealer, right? That's what you are. And by the way, you don't need to be on camera, but you do need to be coachable. And as Les Brown, an old friend of mine, used to say, you got to be hungry. You got to be hungry. You got to want the results of having $900 paydays. So you got to be willing to do the work. But what is the work? Well, 2 hours a day. That's what you're going to do. Now, look, there's a lot of opportunities out there, and you should choose the ones that work for you. But here's what I like: the idea of 2 hours a day. Yes, please. So okay. Well, the question is, what do you do in those 2 hours? What are you going to master? Because that's really what this game is about. Remember, there's other opportunities out there, but this I love: digital marketing, 2 hours a day. Here's what you're going to do: 30 minutes a day. You're going to cut and paste ads that you're given, and you're going to place them for free online. Okay, that's not hard. You're going to know exactly what the ad should say and where to place them. Okay, you think you can do that? Yeah, of course, all of us can, right? So that's how you're going to start your journey. And you do this every day. Then you're going to spend 60 minutes a day creating 3 pieces of content on or off camera. You can also do some lives, put it on all the different social media or one platform, doesn't matter. And if you don't want to be on camera, then you're going to learn how to use a program called Canva. It helps you make simple content, so it's super easy. I mean, a 5-year-old could do it, or a 10-year-old. That's how easy it is. Even use artificial intelligence. So, yeah, no biggie. Then you're going to spend 30 minutes posting and responding to emails and comments. That's 30 minutes. Now, again, if you only have 15 minutes and 15 minutes, that's okay, or 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. It's cool. It's just every day you're going to do that. That's simple. So what are the results? By doing that every day, you're going to grow your email list. And people are going to want what you're talking about because they trust, they like, and they get to know you. That's really all we're doing. That's what we're doing by creating this content that people are really craving. People have those problems. Maybe you do. I don't know, but I got to tell you, your motivation is honestly, this is what I think, okay? Don't accept my offer unless your motivation is honestly to help people out. And in turn, you earn what you deserve. You learn while you earn too, which is what I love. I love learning, don't you? I love to just expand my mind. And then I implement exactly what I learn on a day by day basis, and I get paid really, really well for that, right? So remember, like we talked about before, maybe you missed that, is that 1 out of 20 people will typically buy from you. 1 out of 20. Sometimes 1 out of 10. Some could be 1 out of 50, but typically it's 1 out of 20. They don't know you. And what's so cool is the automated system is going to do the work for you. So again, whatever you're going to choose to do for yourself, make sure that you have that automated system that is proven that does the work for you. And the content that you're going to share is really that simple story that asks someone to take action if they're interested. And then the system does the work. The system follows up. The system texts and emails, not a spammy way, but just in a way that someone goes, yeah, you know what, I'm interested. Or yeah, you answered all my questions. Because your goal, and this is at least is my goal, is to help just 12 people a month. And then when I do that, I make $10,800 a month. That's incredible, right? That's over $100,000. Would it help you and help your family? Of course. So, tomorrow is our last day together, and we're going to talk about how to create a rejection-proof business. We'll kind of go through what we went through. We'll recap, and we'll, teach you some new stuff. 11 a.m. Pacific time, 12 Mountain time. Okay, so that's, make sure to watch it and take notes, and listen to it. Watch it more than once because there are a lot of good, juicy nuggets in there for whatever business you choose. Okay. Look forward to talking. Thanks so much. Bye. See you tomorrow.